Tandy here, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome and show your girl some love by subscribing to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 8 ways to use the pink stuff and we're going to see if it's worth the hype. So just a little bit about the pink stuff. So it's a non-toxic cleaning paste, which is good, right? And also it foams, it's greasy, and so I advise that you try it on a hidden area first before you go all out with it. And another thing which is very important is it's tough on stains, and if you have kids in the house, you definitely need to get yourself a bottle because this will work on a number of areas. When it comes to kids' messes, you have to try it out. It will do most of the work for you. It can be used in a number of areas in the house, which we are going to cover in this video, and this makes it a very great product to have in your cleaning caddy. I'll put the links in the description box of where you can get the pink stuff. So without further ado, let's get to the cleaning. Number 1, base of pots or pans. As you can see, this pot is dirty or discolored and needs some TLC. So let's see if the pink stuff will restore it to its original color. Look how the dirt is coming off just like that. Look at the before and now the after. The original color of the pot is back. Number 2, stovetop. As you can see, this stovetop has layers of burnt food and stubborn marks that would not go away with anything I have tried. For a full video on how to clean your glass or ceramic stovetop using the pink stuff, check out this video here. Check out the transformation, guys. All the burnt food and stubborn marks are completely gone. Number 3, chrome. As you can see, this chrome here has some hard water stains and needs some cleaning. Use a microfiber towel or non-scratch sponge to clean. Give the chrome a shiny finish by polishing with a glass cleaner. Look at the transformation, the result is great. The chrome is all shiny and the hard water stains are completely gone. On to number 4, glass shower doors. If you have watched my videos, you know I have covered this problem area of hard water stains on different areas in the house. If you have that problem, go check out these videos here. I'll put the links in the description box as well. To avoid scratching the glass doors, be sure to use a non-scratch sponge and do not put too much elbow grease or pressure because, like I say, the product is gritty. So for your information, the stains on these doors here were not severe. So if you have aged glass doors or years of build up, you may want to try other stronger products meant for such big jobs like BioClean and Bright and Clean, the other videos I mentioned already. Number 5, baseboards. As you can see, these baseboards have scuff marks that would not go away with just a quick wipe. Check out the results, guys. The product did a good job removing the scuff marks. Look at that. Number 6, the tub. This tub is super dirty. Look at this grimy and grease, and it definitely needs some TLC. Look at the difference, y'all. All the greasy, grimy dirt is all gone. Number 7, permanent markers on walls. I also tried the pink stuff on these walls here. One of my little kiddos had a revelation that the walls are better to write on than a paper. I don't know where she got it from. Anyway, that's kids for you. I would say on this one I had to use a little bit of elbow grease because the marker used here was a stronger one. For your information on walls, do test the product first on a hidden area before you go all the way out cleaning because some paint can fade away quickly. Look at the transformation. The result is great. Number 8, furniture. If you have little artists in the house, you will definitely need a product that's tough on stains. So let's see how this is gonna work out to remove crayons on furniture. As you can see, the product is working already. Look at that, guys. All the crayons are completely gone. That's it, friends. I hope you learned something new today, and let me know in the comments below if you have the pink stuff in your cleaning caddy and also the areas you have used it on in your cleaning routine. Give this video a thumbs up and also remember to subscribe and to click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload another video, and I love you forever. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.